Crabs are a type of crustacean that have become a popular food item in many parts of the world. From fish ponds to famous dishes like Singapore chili crabs, these creatures have played an important role in human cuisine for centuries. They are kept in shallow pools or ponds that are filled with fresh water. These ponds can be found all over the world, from Southeast Asia to Europe and North America. In some cultures, crabs are considered a delicacy and are highly prized for their sweet, succulent meat. One of the most famous examples of this is the Singapore chili crab, a dish that has become a staple of Singaporean cuisine. Singapore chili crab is a dish that is made by stir-frying crab in a spicy tomato-based sauce that is flavored with chili, ginger, and garlic. The dish is typically served with steamed buns, which are used to soak up the delicious sauce. The origins of Singapore chili crab are somewhat unclear, but it is believed to have been created in the 1950s or 60s by local street food vendors. The dish quickly gained popularity and is now served in restaurants and hawker centers throughout Singapore. Singapore chili crab is just one example of the many ways that crabs are used in human cuisine. In many parts of the world, crabs are a common ingredient in soups, stews, and other dishes. They are also used to make crab cakes, crab dip, and other appetizers. Despite their popularity as a food item, crabs can be difficult to catch and prepare. They are often caught using traps or nets, and must be carefully cleaned and cooked to ensure that they are safe to eat. In addition to their culinary value, crabs also play an important role in the ecosystem. They are scavengers that help to clean up the ocean floor, and are an important food source for many other animals, including birds and fish. Overall, crabs are a fascinating and important creature that have played an important role in human cuisine for centuries. Whether you're enjoying a delicious bowl of Singapore chili crab, or simply admiring these creatures in their natural habitat, there's no denying that crabs are a fascinating and important part of the world around us.